Hi everyone, this is David Bailey again with you, and today I'm going to show you the new my beloved platform, the platform of binary options that I'm trading last few weeks. I found this binary option trading platform just a few weeks ago, and from that time I'm trading only on this platform. It's called Expert Option. I can say that I like it very much, and every features that are here are very useful and well done. I made a deposit of $1,000 to my account. Now you see I have $2,000 in my account, so here is promo bonus, 100% deposit bonus. So you will find the same promo in your account when you will register an account by clicking the links below this video. You will have the same bonus after you sign up to Expert Option platform. All right, so I'm going to start trading. I have $2,000 in my account, and I will start from the bets of $200. So I predict that the currency pair will go down. Don't ask again. I will use in my trading, I will use these signals from Expert Option and use my proven strategy, which is called martingale principle. I will tell about it when I'm trading next several minutes. So here you see I can have more currency pair graphs in my account than one. I will do that next time. So you see I made a bet of $200 and I have won $392. Okay, I will open another 3 charts, right? It will be what we can find here. Litecoin, I think yes, Litecoin is okay because it has the biggest payout, 92% here. The next one is Britain pound versus euro versus dollar. United States dollar, here is it. The next one, Japanese yen. Here we go, and the next one, Euro Australian dollar. Oh, excuse me. All right, so we have 4 currency pair graphs here, and we will look on these signals and make bets according to them. So we see a strong buy on the Litecoin. We make a bet of $200, and if the currency pair graph goes to the opposite direction, then we will make another bet on depending on martingale trading system. So the next time we will have to make a bet of $500. So we see the signal to strong sell, so we can here make another bet, another sell bet, down bet, right? So we made it. If the currency pair graph goes up, here we have won the previous bet, $200 the amount of the bet, and we have $392 in our account. This is clear profit. So, and we made another bet of $200 according to this signal on Litecoin graph, and it looks like that we're going to win this bet. So we have a strong sell signal on the Litecoin, so we make a sell bet here, right? So if the currency pair graph goes to the opposite direction, that the next our bet has to be 2.5 times bigger than the previous one, right? So if here the currency pair graph went up, so we should better make a bet of $500 according to these signals every time. So here we have won this bet, $3,092. So in 5 minutes we have already earned $576. Right? So we can do it on another currency pair graph. So we have strong sell here on Great Britain pound versus dollar. So we can make such a bet. Oh, okay, no. We will make to the second minute, to the next minute. So the signal has changed in the moment when I was going to make a bet. So it's better to wait for another minute. So we have strong sell on Litecoin on. All right, we will make sell bet here. So we see the decreasing trend here, right? So we waited for the moment when there was the correction movement right here, and we've made a sell bet according to this signal. So the next signal is strong buy. So we will wait before making it for this currency pair graph to go to the opposite direction, right? So how we will make? We have sell on Australian dollar, right? So here we made a bet. So you're looking on these signals, right? So you see here we made a bet, so sell bet, but the currency pair graph went to the opposite direction. So we are going to here Litecoin, strong buy signal, right? So we lose this bet. So the next bet has to be 2.5 times bigger. It's the principle of martingale trading system. So I think you've heard about it earlier, but I'm using it in my trading. Right? Oh, here we have sharp movement to the up, and we have to bet to make a down bet according to this trading signal, right? So the currency pair graph went up, and we've made another bet. Okay, now we're waiting for the expiration of this bets of this binary options, and it looks like we're going to win both of these bets. Okay, so the main principle is if you make a bet which is successful, so you win any bet, you go back to the very first initial bet, and once you lose any bet, you have to make a bet which is 2.5 times bigger than the previous one. So if you start from 100, okay, I will make small bet of $12, right, to have 4,000 in my account. Okay, so if you lose any bet, for example, you are starting your trading from $100. So if you lose $100, next time you have to bet 2.5 times bigger. So it will be a bet of $250, right? And if you win your bet, you go back to your initial bet of $100. So if you lose $100, next time you make a bet of $250. If you lose that one, next time you make a bet of $625. So 2.5 times bigger each time. And once you win any bet, you will cover all your previous losses and get into profit. So after that, you better go back to your very first initial bet of $100. And don't forget to look on these signals that you see here, signals from expert options. So you better combine these two things. So you better mix it, signals and martingale trading principle. And your trading will be successful in that case. Okay guys, so I've showed you how I made $2,000 in 10 minutes. So subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and you will know certainly how to make money on binary options. And don't forget about the secret link below this video, which will give you a 100% deposit bonus to your first deposit, which you will make on expert option trading platform. Okay, so you can you can click the links below this video, and you can try on demo accounts, not risking with your real money, and you can go to the real money account only after that you're sure that you're a good trader and everything is good in your trading. So you can trade on demo account, or you can use real account with 100% bonus. It's up to you. Alright, thank you guys for watching my videos. $2,000 in 10 minutes, I think, is good result. Good luck in your trading, and bye.